You are going to love the 2023 Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, rear wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.